The Texas sky glows orange and purple as the sun sets over a landscape transformed. Kerr County, now a vast flooded world. Only treetops and rooftops break the surface. The rest is swallowed by water after a storm unleashed 4 months' rain in hours. The Guadalupe River surged 26 feet in 45 minutes, leaving no time for escape, tearing homes from their foundations. Rescue helicopters scan the debris-strewn water, racing against darkness, searching for any sign of life amid the devastation. Despite peril and exhaustion, crews press on, driven by duty and hope to save as many as possible. Search and rescue teams, from state troopers to Black Hawk pilots, coordinate a frantic aerial ballet over the flood zone. Every second counts as they scan rooftops and swirling waters for any sign of life, their radios crackling with urgent updates. The sky is thick with the sound of rotors and the tension of lives hanging in the balance. But disaster strikes. Suddenly, a rescue helicopter is hit by a drone, forcing an emergency landing and grounding a vital lifeline. The crew's training kicks in as they fight to keep control, but the damage is done. The helicopter, once a beacon of hope, now sits silent and battered, its mission cut short.
Kelly, we've just had a drone hit. Controls are sluggish. We're losing altitude, prepping for emergency landing.
Copy that, Tom. Get her down safe. We'll send ground support. Stay calm, we're ready for you on the ground. Everyone, clear the landing zone.
With one less helicopter, precious time and coverage are lost. A patch of water goes unsearched, hope slipping away. The rescue effort slows, and the team feels the weight of every minute lost. For those still stranded, the wait grows longer, and the danger increases.
Officials call it a senseless act, reminding everyone that drones are illegal here and put lives at risk. This isn't just a rule, it's a matter of life and death. Every unauthorized drone could mean another rescue delayed, another life in jeopardy.
The drone operator now faces federal charges, a sobering consequence for a reckless decision that endangered so many. It's a stark reminder that reckless curiosity can endanger both rescuers and those they're trying to save. In moments like these, every choice matters, and the cost of carelessness can be devastating. The grounded helicopter sends shockwaves through the community. Families are left waiting even longer, their anxiety mounting with every passing minute. As hope dims, frustration and fear take hold, knowing that every second lost could mean the difference between life and death for their loved ones. Rescue crews feel betrayed and helpless, forced to split their focus between searching for survivors and scanning the skies for reckless drone operators. Their mission, already dangerous, becomes even more complicated and hazardous, putting both their lives and those they're trying to save at greater risk.
We're risking our necks out here. Just let us do our jobs. That drone could have cost lives, and it's hard to believe someone would be so careless when people are depending on us.
The emotional toll on the community is immense. The death toll continues to rise, and among the missing are children from a local camp. The pain of not knowing, of waiting for news, is almost unbearable for those left behind.
I don't understand how someone could do that. Every minute counts out here. We're doing everything we can, but we need the public to help us, not make things harder.
Officials plead for the public to stay away from active rescue zones, reminding everyone that even well-meaning bystanders can unintentionally put lives at risk. Onlookers and private boats only hinder rescue operations and block vital aid from reaching those in desperate need. Every obstacle slows down the response. The message is clear. If you're not part of the rescue, the best way to help is to stay home, stay safe, and let the professionals do their work. Despite relentless setbacks and the overwhelming force of the floodwaters, the spirit of the rescue effort remains unbroken. Every act of carelessness or despair is met with 1,000 acts of courage and compassion. In the face of adversity, hope becomes a lifeline, binding everyone together. Teams from the Coast Guard, state troopers, and local fire departments unite, their seamless coordination a testament to shared humanity and unwavering resolve. Each team brings unique skills, but together they form a powerful force, working side by side to save lives and restore hope.
We're tired, but we're not giving up. Every person we rescue keeps us going. The exhaustion is real, but so is the determination. Seeing families reunited and lives saved gives us the strength to push through, no matter how tough it gets.
Stories of heroism emerge, neighbors helping neighbors, strangers becoming saviors. In these moments, the community's true character shines through, as ordinary people step up to do extraordinary things, risking their own safety for others.
Federal resources arrive, leaders on the ground, Texas standing together. The presence of support from across the nation reminds us that we are not alone in this fight, and that help is always on the way.
The sound of helicopters returns, a promise that no one is forgotten, a symbol of hope and defiance against the rising waters. Each pass overhead is a reminder that rescue is possible, and that hope can soar even in the darkest times.
When I heard those choppers again, I just started crying. It meant we weren't alone. That sound brought relief and gratitude, knowing someone was out there searching for us, refusing to give up.
The Texas floods are a story of loss and strength, a lesson in the power of collective action and hope, proving that even in darkness, people come together to help one another stay afloat. Through unity, resilience, and compassion, communities find the courage to rebuild and move forward stronger than before.